So behind us here we have a 2014 Ram 1500 with a 3-liter EcoDiesel. Customer brought it in for glow plug extraction. Unfortunately, they had already attempted extraction on this, broke 2 off and started drilling out the rear one on the passenger side. Things didn't go so well, and they went in crooked and they damaged the cylinder head and still had a piece of the glow plug stuck in there. We extracted the remaining portion of the glow plug last week. You can see here how, I guess they started here and they ended up going sideways and damaging the cylinder head. We think it's awesome that, people try and take on some of these jobs, but unless you have the proper tools to remove these glow plugs on these EcoDiesels, this is one that I would recommend to not try and do yourself. It could cost you a substantial amount of money if things go south, and they can in a real hurry. We use this kit here from CTA, the glow plug remover kit. It's a little bit time consuming, but it gets you straight on the glow plug without risk of damaging the head. So unfortunately, because they didn't use this or something similar, the cylinder head was removed and will end up getting replaced on this job, costing them a lot more money than just bringing it in to have the glow plugs extracted once they were broken. So just a little bit on the inside of this kit here. This piece here is for removing hopefully the electrode. If that doesn't come out, then we need to use these guides and this drill bit here to drill the electrode out first. We have some reamers here. These will remove the threads of just the glow plug, not damage the head. And then we tap threads into the body of the glow plug with this piece right here, and then we can usually just pull them out. This helps you stay centered. You have way less risk of damaging the head with this kit than just freehand drilling it. So at the end of the day, I guess unless you're completely certain that you can do the job and you have the proper tools to do something like this, in case you end up with broken glow plugs or strip fasteners, things like that, we just recommend take it to a qualified shop. Nobody wants to see you in this situation. Our goal here is to get you repaired as cost effectively as possible so you don't have to spend all your hard-earned money.